Hi everyone. Today I would like to show you my grocery shopping from Fresh Market to shop with healthy foods. Okay, for first, I like it vegetable chips because they just taste really good. Now there is a core water, and I really love it. Look at the bottle, it's really nice. And something for breakfast. This is a special K with coconuts. It's really good. And then next, my favorite Berry Boost juice. If you don't like drinking water, you can buy it. And something for the chicken. And of course, something for my salads, organic Caesar vinaigrette. And fruits, mandarins and bananas. I put these in my smoothies in the morning. Next, this is a Polish coffee Inca, and I drink it now every day really. It's better than a real coffee with no caffeine. And of course something for digestion, pure peppermint tea after dinner. This is my favorite. And eggs, of course, for morning breakfasts. And this is for lunch or dinner. It's an instant rice, 90 seconds, and you're ready to eat. And tomatoes for my sandwiches, and salad for lunch. I like to try different salads every day. They're good with sandwiches even. You could put some vinaigrette and you're ready to eat. And some organic green peas for dinner. And some mushrooms. But I'm not really a fan of mushrooms. Sometimes I eat, sometimes not. And ravioli, 3-color mozzarella, and herb. That's for lunch or dinner. And of course some vegetables. I put them in the oven and they are ready with my rice. And something for smoothie. And ready to eat pastas for lunch, mixed with pesto, sauce or vegetables. Olives as a little decorations, and of course flowers. Flowers are the best in my home for decorations. I hope you enjoyed, guys, and see you soon. Bye!